English teacher are not able to speak properly. They read it in English and translate in Hindi. So that kind of method they apply. So because of this, you can say there is a no English environment. Just some people they can speak in my village, and because of this app, I got a job. You can say this app is totally changed my life. Hi, Vacha. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. Where are you from?
Okay, so I'm from UP and I'm pursuing my graduation. This is my first year and I'm also preparing for BSc nursing. Hobbies. So my hobbies are play badminton and I love cooking and traveling also. It's all about me. And what's about you?
My name is Muhammad Hussain O negative. I'm come from Churu, Rajasthan, and I live in
Okay.
a name of Lahore. And I'm a teacher. I have been teaching for 2 years in a private English medium school, and recently I got a job in a international school. And if you talk about my hobbies, so I like playing cricket, playing volleyball, reading historical books, and sometimes also like cooking and traveling. And before joining this app, I have make a new hobby. Like I love to talk stranger people, new people. So that's all about me.
So you're also from village and I'm also. So can you please tell me what is the environment for speaking in your village?
If you talk about in speaking, how many peoples and how many boys are speaking English from my village. So you
Mhm.
can see in my cousin brother, uh, his name of Altaf. So we can speak English good. But if you talk about surrounding all my village, there is no one. I have never ever seen any person and he can speak because I don't know why. But our teaching and teaching style of and that kind of problems are there. Like when the teachers come enter in the English teacher are not able to speak properly. In
Oh,
if you talk my like my journey in school, so that time I face also many problems in my school days. Like a teacher come and translate it. Thus they read it in English and translate in Hindi. So that kind of method they apply. So because of this, you can say there is a no English environment. Thus some people they can speak in my village.
okay.
So
Yes, same here actually. I'm also
your
from my smart village, and if you're talking about my surroundings, so here there is no one fluent in English. Seriously, I can't practice. So that is a big reason. And if you're talking my English teacher, so yeah, he was able to speak English because his English was very good when I was in school time. Before using this application, I was able to speak, but you can say I'm not confident. I'm not sure to be fluent.
I want to ask something regarding now you already told your English was not good in your schooling, but now you speak very well in fluently. So how's your experience in this app?
So after using this application, I had improved a lot in my communication skills. So that's why you can say I'm very satisfied with this application.
Okay, that's good.
It's very important that we are doing our practice.
Yeah, yeah. If you talk about my experience is very amazing. I have also learned so many things, and now you can say I can speak fluently English to talk to not even phone. Just I can talk in normal life. I can talk to anyone else, and because of this app, I got a job. So you can say this app is totally changed my life, and I'm so happy I have joined this kind of app.
Exactly. Yeah, here we got a practice environment.
But I want to ask some questions regarding our daily life. Like, what do you think about the success? Because I heard about the success. People think just they got any job, they got any like government job, private job. So they think about कि we got success. So what do you think about what is the real success? I want to know.
Yeah, I think if you have a degree, it's not mean that I'm a success person. It's mean Like we have to learn something new every day. Never stop learning. I think it's very important that never stop learning because life never stop giving you challenges. That is very important.
Yeah, exactly. Was I want to also say something regarding this. Like people, I mentioned just like people think about that, but in my point of view, like success means like you choose set a goal and work on it. After you, when you complete your goal, just not stop, just set the next one and grow in your life. Like we have to grow in our life. End of the day, grow in every time. Not I'm talking about money. Like we have to improve ourselves in every single second. So that is
If we got a chance to make ourselves better, so I think we should try.
yeah, that's we can call is that is the real success.
Exactly. So nice to talk with you, Sanji. So can you please add me in your favorite list? So can we can talk again and again.
Yeah, I'm also happy to talk to you. Definitely.
Okay.
And because I also wanted to talk to you next time because I am so happy to talk to you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vasu.
नीचे दिए हुए लिंक से आप जोश स्किल्स ऐप को प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर पाएंगे। डाउनलोड करने के बाद आप इस लैंडिंग पेज पर लैंड होंगे। यहाँ पे अपना मोबाइल नंबर डालें और OTP आने का वेट करें। इसके बाद स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद आपको अपना पहला लेसन मिलेगा। लेसन के अंदर आपको मिलेगा वोकैबुलरी, ग्रामर, रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस और मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट स्पोकन इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करने वाला सेक्शन। यानी यहाँ पे हमारे लाखों स्टूडेंट्स में से किसी से भी आप कनेक्ट होके एक्चुअली इंग्लिश बोल के प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। और आपको पता है, अगर आपने 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा उनसे बात करी तो आपको बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे जिससे आप लीडरशिप बोर्ड में ऊपर जाएंगे। इससे आप स्टूडेंट ऑफ द वीक, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द डे या स्टूडेंट ऑफ द मंथ बन सकते हैं, जिसके बहुत सारे और भी प्राइजेस और बेनिफिट्स हैं। और तो और 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा बात करने पर जो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होता है, इसके बारे में तो मैं बता ही नहीं सकती। वी हैव हैड स्टूडेंट्स जिन्हें ज़ीरो इंग्लिश बोलने से लेके 10-15 मिनट आराम से इंग्लिश में बात करना आ चुका है, सिर्फ इस स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस की वजह से। तो अभी जाइए और इस नीचे दी हुई लिंक पर क्लिक करें और आप भी अपनी स्पोकन इंग्लिश और अपनी कॉन्फिडेंस की जर्नी के लिए एक कदम ज़रूर लें।